Ding dong, it's the Palomar Sound funeral bell. Whether you like normal distortion or mangled chaos, this little freak is your new buddy. At its core, the funeral bell is a mashup of 70s-style distortion circuits with symmetrical clipping and a hefty amount of op-amp saturation. Perfect for boneheaded caveman riffs and dank, sludgy amplifier worship. And when you want to get weird, crank the octave knob to blend in analog full-wave rectification to warp and destroy your guitar signal. Check out palomarsound.com for dealer info and grab yours today. Palomar Sound Funeral Bell. It's for you.